Welcome to Trucking with Fitz. Today, we get that power divider diff in. That's all we get done. We end up taking it for a test drive, which you're going to have to stay tuned to find out what happens. And yeah, we hooked it up to this trailer just for a second. So it looks pretty cool. Yeah, that's all I got. Stay tuned. Good morning. It is 8:15, 8:30 or so in the morning. It's now daylight enough to work. I've already been working for a little while. I brought you in here right now because I'm cleaning up and I'm trying to decide something. I'm under here draining the last of the oil that had, seeped down the last day because it's thick and it's cold and all those things. And I got the magnet here. I'll let you guys take a look at that. I've already taken some of the junk off. Some of it's sitting right here. Some of it is just the normal. There's some right here too. You can see how some of that is bigger flakes. I think you can see. There's not a lot on this, but it's more than just what I was expecting of like a grayish film on it, clinging to it. It looks like there are bigger. You mean look at that. Let me grab some of this out of here and see if I can't show you what I mean. No, it's not gonna. I need something else magnetic here. I don't know. There's just some stuff on here that's bigger than I was thinking I would find, So that's encouraging that I'm doing the right thing. I don't know. Some of you guys who are actual mechanics, unlike me, go ahead and comment down below, please. I would really appreciate it. What I'm seeing is that sign of stuff starting to go out, or is that normal? Some of it is the gray fines that you normally see in a diff, but it does seem like there are some bigger filings. Let me know. Give me a good description of what you should find. I've not seen too many good descriptions, so we're replacing it anyway, but I figured I'd show you guys what I'm dealing with here. I'm gonna get that magnet cleaned up and spray this down good with some brake clean, and then we will finish getting the surface cleaned up, and then we're getting close to poking her in here. Hey guys, so my conundrum that I already discussed with you guys, but is trying to get this guy that way because of this bar. I really need to have these chains on the other side. I'm thinking about getting a bottle jack to lift up just temporarily, but also I'm going to climb in here. I'm going to attempt to. Yeah! Try not to drop this on me. Hello, everybody. Don't know why it would drop it on me. Try to. Problem is, it's not only not giving me enough room to push this way, I also need to rotate it this way just slightly to make it onto the stud. And to make it into this, of course. But me dangerously put my head in a weird situation. Don't do that. Oh. That's the reality of life right there. If you ever wondered. I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go down a little bit, give myself a little more room. Maybe you guys will get to watch me put this in. Maybe you won't. I don't know. Okay. Bought myself some slack. Let's see what happens. Maybe. Okay. I think we're on to something. I'm gonna give myself a little bit more. Hopefully I don't regret this. I don't know why I would. It's still chain. It's not falling. It's not gonna fall. I just might go back a step. I also might destroy my knee or my shin. So that's always exciting. This, you could be onto something here. No, not yet. Getting close. Almost. Oh, freaking most. So close. I gotta rest. Obviously, what I'm fighting with right now is getting onto this spline. So that's the predicament, which we're gonna figure out. But maybe I do get a bottle jack. Maybe that'll be just what I need to lift it up where I need it to be. Give myself a little more leverage. Maybe. We'll keep plugging away. We'll get it. If I could get it so it was pried in here, and I could remove this, put it farther back, put the chain farther back, that would be nice. But I don't know if we could do that. Well, we're in there. We're in there. Splines are lined up. The one stud is lined up. That's awesome. So I still got a gap in there. I left it on purpose because I don't have RTV on there yet. I did this on purpose because I knew I was going to have to mess with this a bunch. And I didn't really want wet RTV floating around there while I was prying this in there. So I got an Ultra Black in a can, in a tube, whatever you want to call it. The good way. And we're going to get it applied in there. And then we're going to finish poking this in. And then we're going to fill it up. This feels really good. Feels really good. All right. Let's knock some stuff out here. It is currently 9:51. 9:51. Okay, so that's good. That's good. Hopefully we can be test driving this before 11. I bet we can. Do you guys remember me saying in the last video how I'm pretty dumb sometimes? And don't mind this. This is in the ring. Don't mind this. And that we're gonna learn together. You see that? That's what I get for listening to people that I bought it from. Yeah, should never have done that. And also, in other news, some of you guys are like, 370s and 355s, you're not going to notice that much of a difference. Well, maybe we're both wrong or we're both right. How do you want to say that? Because I had 390s. Now I know. And what I'm putting in is 355s. So I will notice a difference. Oh, guys. Sometimes. There also is another difference between these differentials. They are DS404s, both of them, okay? But take a look at this flange here. probably a stronger diff. I don't know why it's different. It is a DS404. But, means my bolts don't fit on 3 of the spots, so I get to go to town. So that's fun. Waste some time. When I get back, I'll be able to go for a test drive. After I fill up the diff. Because right now, it is basically 11 o'clock. If I had the right bolts, I would be going for a test drive right now, like I said I would. But I don't, so boom. I gotta go buy 3 bolts. Actually 6 bolts, because it's the same case on the rear diff too. So, yeah. Anyway, well, that's fun. I started the truck to warm it up, but also I wanted to lock this diff. It almost seemed like these went in easier. I don't know. I was just a little paranoid. But I locked the diff, the front diff here, and now this just doesn't spin anymore. So splines aren't working correctly. I was like, oh no. Is the shaft on the old ones, you know, narrower? Anyway, I'm going to shut up now. I'm going to put in my drive shaft, button up these guys, and then get to town. Hey guys, so I just got off the pavement. I wanted to do it by myself without you guys. Okay, I love the gear ratio change. I'm just gonna say that first. Absolutely love the gear ratio change. And to be honest, I can't tell if I fixed it or not. It feels different. And I think it feels better. But if anything, it confirmed it's something in the drive line. So let me explain. So before, when I would get to 60 mile per hour on my dash, which wasn't actually 60 miles per hour, it's more like 57. That's where it was the worst. It's no longer where it's the worst. I got to be going faster for it to be the worst. So that's confusing because my drive shaft has been recently balanced. So I don't know. That's what I know. I don't know. I have no idea what's going on. I'm very confused. So this is what's gonna happen. It feels like it's not as bad as it was to me. It feels better than it was. Oh, I have no idea what that means, but I'm gonna run it when I get home. That's what I'm gonna do. Like you guys said, I'm gonna have to figure out how to properly adjust my speedometer. I'm gonna have to watch some YouTube videos on that. We'll get it figured out. For now, Trucker Path, when you got it mapped, it shows your speed. I don't know if you've noticed that before. I'm sure you guys have. So my dash says I'm going 30 right now, and I'm actually going 32. So, yeah, we'll get it figured out, because I need to be able to use the dash. But I don't even know what to say right now. I feel good enough that I'm gonna run it when I get back. Oh, of course, I gotta do the rear one still, but yeah. Inconclusive well, sort of, I don't know. This is one of those things where you really don't know what I'm saying unless you're in the vehicle and you could drive it yourself, you know? Like, I'm not... Feel free to comment whatever you want, but that's the reality. I mean, I'm the one driving it right now, and I can't put into words necessarily to describe perfectly what I'm experiencing. So when I get back, I'm gonna throw that other diff in there and I'm gonna run it, and we're gonna see how it goes. But the gear ratio change is awesome. Bless me. The gear ratio change I am gonna love. I think I'm gonna be very pleased with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and park this right in front of my trailer. I might even back under the trailer just to get a thumbnail. But yeah, like I said, when we get back, we will throw that other diff in and then run it. So I'll probably run for the first time on Wednesday, the 8th of January. Current plan. So. Well, we're almost back to the house. I'll catch you guys when we get back to the house. Well, what do you guys think of this? I think she looks awesome with this new trailer. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I got the pogo stick right where it's supposed to be now. All right, I'm gonna get excited here. A little too excited because I'm not done working yet, but I think we fixed it. I think we did. I think we did. I don't know we did. I think we did. But for now, I need to clean up because I made a mess. I need to clean up and I need to get that sucker in here because I need to take it back today. So I got a lot of work to cut out for me in the next few minutes because I really need to be inside before 3 because I need to be leaving before 4. That time can be fudged a little bit. I just need to be at Vanderhaeg's before 5:30 because that's when I close. Because I want to get this core back in and get through my $350 back for my core charge. So that is the plan. No, I am not oiling my truck, if you're wondering. I just have that as far up as I can get it to let it slowly seep back into the jug. Anyway, that's all I got today. We got our differential in, power divider diff in, and as far as I can tell, we're not leaking. So, and we think we fixed the problem. Anyway, I'm gonna stop looking at this. I still think it could be something to do with the driveline angles, so I need to take that into somebody and get them to measure that. So I've tried to mess with it myself. Anyway, we're gonna stop conjecturing. We're gonna let this be the end of the video. Thanks for watching today, guys. Comment down below your thoughts on the gear ratio change, you know, the whole 390 to 355 thing, and let me know what the truck looks like with this new trailer. I think she looks pretty good. The boss is pretty happy with this trailer, I think. And with that, we'll see you on the next one.